Alright, so today I'm going shopping. I need to get some floating shells and probably like a backlight. Hopefully I can get it. So my day for sure say, yo, you're there Jamaica, you can get this thing deal with same way. You see me, can realize enough people when they do them whole YouTube thing, I'm like, it's not really grab me. You see me? So I'm here to show you how to get a YouTube channel looking like a star. You see me? So just stay tuned. Boom. That's a nice. Alright, so these are some of the lights we can use. You can probably try it in your room, but still depends on the type of light or the type of bulb. You see me? So let me see. What this? I'm gonna see the price. Oh, what? I'm gonna like 8 or something. But this cool. You get the backlight, the green color light, like nice, and the orange. Yeah. Alright, I'm gonna check out the floating shelf then. Also, this are the zigzag ones. Yeah. On the face recognition turn on. We will face focus.
Can you see what's in your hand? Can you show you?
No, turn it around the other way. This is just a big box.
Yeah, like these are the ones.
Alright. It's kinda hard to look for, really. Why is missing more? Why is missing more? It's like a board.
You can pass it through. I like this.
Alright, let's go. Enough work.
Well, we talked about just what 10 days before, but we
try this angle. Oh, yo. Trust me. For do all of this setup thing for YouTube, it kinda let me take this off. Yo, so for the all of this setup thing for YouTube, it kinda difficult because yo, you want the thing to look good. Isn't it? So get a little cheap screwdriver set. We'll just flat it on a Phillips, and so the theme for my room is orange and teal. Well, blue and dark blue and orange. So I got orange curtain. Well, some people call them drape. Okay, just from there. Just from here. Yeah, I'm tired, thirsty, need some water, but I'm gonna set up my room like yo, I do the pro style behavior, you see me? So right here, yeah. So let me turn this mic around. Okay. This mic not come up. Alright, so right here I got this. Well, I bought this from Rapid True Value, you get me? So this is probably the type of look. This is probably the type of look. Ugh. Oh god, it's so heavy. So I'm gonna set up this in the room using this. I can put the lamp shade that I have in my room here on this, you get me? So this is how it's going to look. Let me see if you can see it. Take away from the light. Well, oh, here it is. So this is how it's going to look, right? So when it comes on to this YouTube thing, okay, so when it comes on to the YouTube thing, for me, it's mostly about the look and the sound, you get me? So let me head home. Alright, let me see how to install a floating shelf. This looks complicated. Well, why would they call this? Car. Alright, so we need some Philip. Oh, I need a drill. So this, so I'm gonna try and install it. It's supposed to look like this, but I'm not sure if I'm good at it. I'm not sure. Okay, so it's supposed to look like this, right? I don't know if you can see it. It's supposed to look like right like this one, but let me see it go. Alright, change the camera angle from here. We'll change it to here. Hopefully it's not working. Yeah. Alright, camera angle change. Really dope. So let me show you what's in this thing. I think this thing, I realize I have alright, so in this thing I realized that there is those stuff that this I'll just see one of these. Word. So all of that. Turn this back around. So all of this fit in another corner there. Right, another corner there. So let's look. Oh, I need a level. See if it looks good in the corner. I'm gonna try find something to take this out. Crap, some piece of board stuck in here, so. But I'm trying to find something to take it out. Okay, so got the drill. This almost, well, I'll just set this up. Hopefully it can work out how I want it. Then drop it in another corner slightly. But I'm not sure if I want to use it this side or to use it on the other side, which is this side, but I'm not sure. So, shit, I missed the spot right here. Slightly. Master just said put on the side here. Because like, so when I shoot, probably shoot from the side here. So we shoot from the side here. The light, somebody put the light on it. Some put the light on it and go a better look. You get what I'm saying? You know you want to take yourself like this?
Yeah, you got them on. I mean, you message you got them on message. But let's talk to me now.
Alright, so let me see this. Yeah, so basically I'm gonna put it on that side here. So now I put it on that side here. I can say yo, I can't put the things on. Some of them don't say this is big enough.
How high you really want it? That's everything now.
You don't say
I should have my thing measure.
the height
You want it over your head? Think you should be good?
yeah, but the height but the height can work.
How much I know? I'm not the water.
Yeah, I want it. So the height it'll be good.
Yes, sir?
Yeah.
Sure?
Yeah man, the height it'll be good man.
You want it from the corner?
Yeah, from the corner. Yeah, the smoky one. Like every morning, I read after they made system.
You want just have me by school. If I said that, I just tell her, I said, Mommy, look here. We just a common denominator. We mellow out things. I'm in a bad situation right now. We just keep me at a mellow vibe. You know, he said, first I hear that one.
The first thing you know in there.
I said, just then. Yeah. So what we are going to do? The party on the flatter base.
Yeah, so that party on the base. So this is the base.
This should have been that party hung over. So.
Yeah, so this will be the base. So that means that would have done this one.
This would have done this one?
Yeah. So you know, so that would have done this one. Boom.
Alright, put it.
first season, I say, that look well neat.
Yeah, like, you don't be able to like some bossy look.